12 Best Tourist Attractions in Nairobi. Number 12. David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust. Located within the Nairobi National Park, the David Sheldrick Wildlife Trust is a haven for orphaned elephants and rhinos. Established in memory of David Sheldrick, a renowned naturalist and founder of Tsavo National Park, this trust specializes in the rescue, rehabilitation, and reintegration of orphaned elephants and rhinos into the wild. Visitors can witness the heartwarming sight of baby elephants being fed and playing in the mud, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Number 11. Nairobi National Museum. The Nairobi National Museum is a treasure trove of Kenya's rich cultural and natural heritage. From ancient artifacts and archaeological exhibits to contemporary art collections, the museum provides insight into Kenya's diverse history and traditions. Highlights include the prehistoric fossils of early hominids such as Turkana boy, ethnographic displays showcasing the country's various tribal cultures, and an extensive botanical garden. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in delving deeper into Kenya's past and present. Number 10. Karura Forest. Escape the hustle and bustle of Nairobi city life by exploring the tranquil oasis of Karura Forest. Spanning over 1,000 hectares, this urban forest reserve offers a peaceful retreat for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Visitors can enjoy walking, jogging, or cycling along the well-maintained trails that wind through lush greenery, scenic waterfalls, and serene picnic spots. With its abundant bird life and diverse flora, Karura Forest provides a refreshing respite from the urban jungle. Number 9. Giraffe Center. Get up close and personal with one of Africa's most iconic animals at the Giraffe Center in Nairobi. This conservation and education center is dedicated to the preservation of the endangered Rothschild's giraffe species. Visitors can hand-feed these graceful creatures from an elevated platform, learn about their behavior and habitat, and even enjoy a guided nature walk in the adjacent giraffe sanctuary. It's a unique opportunity to interact with giraffes in a natural setting and support their conservation efforts. Number 8. Nairobi National Park. Experience the thrill of a safari without venturing far from the city at Nairobi National Park, Kenya's oldest national park and the only one located within a capital city. Despite its proximity to urban development, the park is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including lions, cheetahs, buffaloes, giraffes, and more. Visitors can embark on game drives to spot these magnificent animals against the backdrop of Nairobi's skyline, making for an unforgettable safari experience just minutes away from downtown. Number 7. Bomas of Kenya. Immerse yourself in Kenya's rich cultural tapestry at the Bomas of Kenya, a living museum that celebrates the country's traditional music, dance, and folklore. The word Boma refers to a traditional homestead, and this cultural center features recreations of various ethnic villages showcasing their unique architectural styles, crafts, and customs. Visitors can enjoy vibrant performances of tribal dances, drumming, and acrobatics, providing insight into Kenya's diverse cultural heritage and fostering appreciation for its indigenous communities. Number 6. Nairobi Railway Museum. Step back in time and explore Kenya's railway history at the Nairobi Railway Museum, located within the Nairobi Railway Station. Housed in a historic railway building dating back to the colonial era, the museum showcases an impressive collection of locomotives, carriages, and artifacts related to the country's railway heritage. Highlights include the legendary Lunatic Express steam locomotive, vintage coaches adorned with intricate woodwork, and exhibits detailing the construction of the Kenya-Uganda Railway. It's a fascinating journey through Kenya's transportation evolution. Number 5. Karen Blixen Museum. Journey into the past at the Karen Blixen Museum, the former home of the renowned Danish author best known for her memoir, Out of Africa. Situated in the affluent suburb of Karen, this beautifully preserved colonial farmhouse offers a glimpse into Blixen's life in Kenya during the early 20th century. Visitors can explore the elegantly furnished rooms where Blixen entertained guests and penned her literary masterpieces, stroll through the lush gardens immortalized in her writings, and learn about her enduring legacy in the country she called home. Number 4. Nairobi Arboretum. Discover a botanical paradise in the heart of Nairobi at the Nairobi Arboretum, a peaceful sanctuary brimming with exotic trees, shrubs, and flowers from around the world. Originally established as a research site for forestry studies, this urban green space has evolved into a popular recreational area for nature lovers and botany enthusiasts alike. Visitors can wander along shaded pathways, marvel at the diverse plant species labeled for easy identification, and enjoy picnics amidst the scenic surroundings. It's a tranquil retreat where urban dwellers can reconnect with nature's beauty. Number 3. Kizuri Beads Factory. Experience the art of bead making and empower local artisans at the Kizuri Beads Factory in Karen, Nairobi. Founded in 1975 with the aim of providing employment opportunities for single mothers, this fair trade enterprise produces exquisite ceramic beads and jewelry using traditional techniques. Visitors can take guided tours of the factory to witness the intricate bead-making process firsthand, from molding and painting to firing and stringing. By purchasing Kizuri products, visitors contribute to sustainable livelihoods and community development, making a positive impact while acquiring beautiful souvenirs. Number 2. Nairobi National Park Safari Walk. Embark on an immersive journey through Kenya's natural wonders at the Nairobi National Park Safari Walk, an educational attraction adjacent to Nairobi National Park. This elevated boardwalk offers panoramic views of the park's diverse ecosystems, including savanna grasslands, riverine forests, and wetlands, while providing opportunities for wildlife viewing and bird watching. Visitors can encounter indigenous plant species, learn about conservation efforts to protect endangered animals, and gain insight into Kenya's rich biodiversity. It's an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts seeking to connect with Kenya's wildlife and landscapes. Number 1. Maasai Market. Experience the vibrant colors, rhythms, and craftsmanship of Kenyan culture at the Maasai Market, Nairobi's premier open-air market, showcasing traditional arts and crafts. Originating from the Maasai community, renowned for their distinctive beadwork and handicrafts, this bustling market offers a kaleidoscope of handmade goods, including jewelry, textiles, wood carvings, and souvenirs. Visitors can haggle with local artisans, watch skilled craftsmen at work, and immerse themselves in the lively atmosphere of this cultural bazaar. Whether searching for authentic mementos or simply soaking up the ambiance, the Maasai Market is a must-visit destination for experiencing the vibrant spirit of Kenya.